Let's review some important concepts and skills that you should have learned while preparing for your gathering. Your body requires 6 major types of nutrients in order to build, maintain, and energize itself. Carbohydrate and fat are your body's preferred sources of energy, but when your body faces stress, protein is utilized too. Good sources of carbohydrate include grains, fruits, and vegetables. Good sources of protein and fat include dairy and protein foods such as low-fat milk, lean meats, egg whites, beans, and nuts. Each vitamin or mineral plays a unique role in your body. Unfortunately, Americans tend to neglect several vitamins and minerals. Eating fortified foods such as breakfast cereal, bread, and milk can help, but make sure to eat a balanced diet with foods from all 5 food groups. Last but not least is water. This nutrient is found in all of your cells, and it is used to transport nutrients and waste. Good sources of water include pure water, 100% fruit juice, and 100% vegetable juice. My plate uses a place setting to illustrate a few important nutrition principles: variety, balance, and moderation. First, let's look at variety. There are 5 distinct regions on the place setting, 1 for each food group. Eat food from all 5 food groups every day. Second, balance. The size of each region reveals the optimal balance of food intake from the 5 food groups. Fill half of your plate with fruits and vegetables, and fill the other half with more grains than high-protein foods such as meat, beans, and nuts. Third, moderation. A single plate and a single cup are depicted. Eat smaller amounts of high-nutrient foods instead of larger amounts of nutrient-poor foods. Food label reading is an important skill. It may be used to assess the nutrition value of a product or to perform side-by-side comparisons. Start by checking the serving size, which should be in cups or pieces. The nutrition information below pertains to 1 serving size. Be aware of the number of servings that you eat. This determines how many calories you take in. If you take in more calories than you use, you will gain weight. The label also provides information about specific nutrients. Try to select foods that are low in saturated fat, trans fat, cholesterol, and sodium. Many of these nutrients are associated with heart disease. On the other hand, you should try to select foods that are high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. These nutrients can help reduce the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and other diseases. For guidance, use the % daily values along the right-hand side and the daily values at the bottom. Below the nutrition facts label is the ingredients statement. Ingredients are listed in order of weight, and the first ingredient is the heaviest, in this case, tomatoes. Try to select foods with whole grains and avoid added sugars. To conclude, please perform a reflection. Recall your gathering on Memorial Day or Labor Day and respond to the questions below. Which foods made up your meal? And how do you know the meal was a healthy one? Finally, retrieve the digital document or hard copy with your initial thoughts. Compare your initial thoughts and reflection. How has your understanding of nutrition improved?